Hey guys, my name is Dave, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you the set and forget trick on how to multiply your sales in any niche in 24 hours, even if you have no Facebook ads budget and no idea what's going on. And I'm going to do something extremely different in this video. When you stay until the end, you'll have the opportunity to copy everything that I'm doing right now and get the tool to help you connect the dots. So don't go anywhere, stay until the end, and I promise this is just a short video. Before anything else, hit subscribe, like, and the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I have a new content. I'll also appreciate your comment. Again, my name is Dave Garcia. Here you can see some stuff about my background. But this video is not about me, so let's continue. I need to do a quick earnings disclaimer. I'll walk you through the exact method I use to get real results. And of course, your results may vary. They could be higher or lower. And after 5+ years, I discovered the hard way. I spent a lot for online courses to learn how I can earn more money online faster. You get to cheat and get the easy way. You can kind of cut to the front of the line and do exactly what I'm doing right now to get results. And the truth is, a couple of days ago, I did over $6,000 in sales using the exact trick that I'm about to show you. And the reason I was able to do that is because I figured out these three secrets. Secret number one is to find high authority pages of your chosen niche with lots of followers on social media platforms. Secret number two is to follow their followers automatically. I'll show you a way on how to do that later in this video. Secret number three is to promote your offer and start earning on autopilot. So let's dive right in. Most people think that either you need to have a lot of time or budget to spend for marketing in order to get more sales. Let's do some math. Let's say, for example, you offer a product or a service for $25. You get a profit of $10 per sale. If you want to make $10,000 per month, you would need to make 1,000 sales every month. The problem with that is the typical way on how to get sales is to spend money for paid ads. Or you need to have a bunch of time talking with prospects if you don't have a budget for paid marketing. The solution? First is to find pages with many followers of your chosen niche. Example is Grant Cardone for wealth niche. Then follow their followers and put your offer link on your page. The goldmine solution for that is to automate the process. How to automate? Before anything else, you must create as many social accounts as you can. The more, the better. You will know the reason why when you continue watching this video. If you don't have a time, you can go to accsmarket.com or you can search on Google where you can buy bulk accounts which will not cost you a lot. Remember, Facebook ads is more expensive than this. How to automate? Use an online tool to connect all your accounts there. The tool will auto-follow all the followers of your chosen pages. Check the description below this video about the online tool that I'm using. Thank you.